Welcome to the channel, Nessa Sunshine. I'm Nessa, and today we're getting into this eye look for the holiday season. Super shimmery, super glittery, with none other than the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette. And I got this at the Sephora sale. It's super pretty. This is the fourth time I think I've actually used it. I really like it already. The shimmers in here are really pretty. And yeah, we'll get into this eye look. I'll talk about the lip combo. Obviously, I'm not feeling that good. I think it's obvious. I don't know. I can hear when people are sick in their voice, and I am not feeling the best. But anyway, I am just going to get into a short, really quick eye and lip combo. So if you have not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. The first shade I'm going to get into is EM5, and I'll use the Nabla N206 brush. I'm taking my big fluffy brush. It's a flat fluffy brush. You can blend and blend and blend in the crease area, all the way across the crease and the above the crease area of the eyelid. Blend, blend, blend in the crease above the crease area of the eyelid, and then come down to the lower lash line as well, and do the same thing to both sides. And the next shade I'm going to get into is EM9 and the Nabla N203 brush. For this next shade, I'm going to spray, after I've rolled my brush into the brown shadow, I'm going to spray with a Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to help my patchy eyelid in the corner. I'm going to blend in circular motions in the outer corner, and I'll blend, 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 and then go back in with nothing with the other brush that we used before and blend around. You can add more of the darker shade to just blend in tiny circular motions on the mobile lid, and then blend with the bigger brush to diffuse with nothing added. And then you can go back in again to the darker shade and build and blend as necessary. Take that darker shade in the lower lash line middle to the outer corner, and then we'll get into for shimmer time. I'm getting into the EM6 and the EM7 shimmer shades. The first one, I will swirl my ring finger in, spray it with the same setting spray, and then I'm going to swipe it onto the middle outer edge of the lid. Pat, 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 and pat more toward the outer middle part, and then we'll get into the next shimmer shade. Swipe in the palette, your finger, handy dandy ring finger, spray it as well, and then swipe and then pat toward the inner part. To complete shimmer time, I'm going to get into EM2 and the Nabla N201 brush. For the last shimmer time shimmer, just take this very gently and roll this very pointed brush in the inner corners. The final shadow we'll be using in this palette is EM12 and the Dose of Colors wing liner brush. And then lastly, we will create a smoky wing. So we will build up our wing with our, so we're starting really close to the lash line, building up, and then blowing it out, creating a wing, and kind of moving a little bit in swipe motions to kind of diffuse, but still have a wing. And then you can add a little bit more of the EM6 shadow, just kind of right on top in the middle to help fuse and blend the shimmer and the liner together. You can tight line with a black liner. To be a little festive and add some color for my brown eyes, I'm going to use the Too Faced Killer Liner in the shade Killer Queen. This is so pretty, just to add a little pop of something. Go ahead and add some mascara. These are the Lily Lashes Milan lashes, and I'm going to pop those on. You can feel free to wear mascara, add lashes, add waterproof mascara, or whatever to finalize this look. And then for my lip combo today, I'm wearing the Kokie Cosmetics lip liner in Dusty Rose. I'm adding a little bit of my concealer with my blending brush onto my lips, and then I add the Elevate Beauty Set Apart lip gloss in Set Apart. I just said that. Yeah. Okay. And that completes the look. This is a tutorial, but one thing to say about this palette is the shimmers are giving shimmer time. This shimmer is gorgeous. They are beautiful. I love them. They're so pretty. And yeah. Are you getting a cool tone palette this season? Do you have one already that you love? Like the Sultry palette, that's a great cool tone. palette. It seems like a cool tone is a thing, and then also a very like shimmery shimmers, which I love because shimmer time is my favorite time. I did try the Patrick Ta duo, the pink one. That one is very shimmery. I'm getting another one as well to try. I know they are so pricey. I'm also getting the Charlotte Tilbury shimmers to compare, and I know that ColourPop, like the Super Shock shadows, are really good. I don't know. They're really good. And yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me if you try out this look with this palette or another palette, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye now.